Welcome. If you're looking to add or update your profile photo on the Instagram app using your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can refresh your Instagram look in just a few minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and of course, your current profile photo. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near your username or just below your profile photo. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can change your profile details. Now it's time to add your new photo. Find the option that says Add Photo or Change Profile Photo. Click on it, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Take your time to choose a photo that best represents you or your brand. Something clear, bright, and eye-catching always works well. Once you've picked your favorite photo, click Open. Instagram will upload your image and show you a preview. Here, you can usually crop or adjust the photo to make sure it fits perfectly in the profile circle. Make any tweaks you need, and when you're happy with how it looks, confirm the change. Your new profile photo will be instantly updated for everyone to see. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've given your Instagram profile a fresh new look right from your PC. Whether you're updating your style, promoting your business, or just want something new, changing your profile photo is quick and easy with the latest Instagram update. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy showing off your new profile picture.